Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in his element in New York last evening, charming thousands at a rock concert in the city's iconic Central Park. Wearing a blue Nehru jacket over a white kurta, Modi played to the gallery, giving his speech in English while addressing a gathering of nearly 60,000 people. Let's listen in.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में आप सबको संबोधित करने का मेरे लिए अत्यंत सम्मान की बात है.
The world's largest platform and Narendra Modi's 33-minute debut address, all in Hindi.
साथ मिलकर के जुटे हुए.
But come evening, it was a very different Modi on stage at New York's iconic Central Park. Here, instead of bureaucrats and politicians, it was a 60,000-strong audience comprising entirely of youth.
The Prime Minister of the Republic of India.
It was a perfect introduction for Modi, presented to New Yorkers by Wolverine star Hugh Jackman himself.
How are you doing in New York? Namaste.
What followed was Modi, clad in blue Nehru jacket over a white kurta, playing to the gallery, speaking in English with special focus on two words, you and youth.
Among the youth, because you are the future, what you do today will decide our tomorrow. I feel a current of hope in this park among you. I feel confident about the future of the whole human being.
It was an event sponsored by the Global Citizen Movement, and Modi got the perfect chance to extend his Independence Day speech, pushing sanitation and cleanliness to a very receptive young crowd.
The Prime Minister of India has already stood up and said he's going to do something about that in India, and tonight we're really thrilled to have him standing on the stage to talk about the commitment that he wants that to be not just for India but for the whole world, and the role that all of us need to play in creating that.
I salute you.
For the American youth, never before subject to an Indian rock star Prime Minister, the experience, well, was different.
I think he was very inspirational, honestly. I think when he did speak in Sanskrit, I thought it was amazing.
I thought it was amazing. He did a really great job. I'm glad that he came here, and we're so glad that he came all the way here from India to see us.
It was really inspiring, and it was really cool that he came to visit us, and it was really cool, yeah.
The end of the 7-minute speech in typical Modi style.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani paschyantu, ma kaschit dukbhag bhave. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bless you.
Bureau Report, headlines today.
May the force be with you.